To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Remove the housing cover. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its indicating arrow pointing up. Reinstall the cover by aligning the arrows and slide to lock it into place. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.